Ramon is probably going to kill me for making references to Game of Thrones, and I have yet to watch any Game of Thrones episodes. But I got the sneakers though. Don't know what to say. Yo, what is the deal, good people? It's your boy, your big homie Kicksguard, back in the building. Today we have a sneaker that has been not long overdue. However, it has been recently copped because they were still available. However, I guess you could say a ultra late cop. Yeah. So we are talking about this sneaker right here. Yeah. I had a couple of conversations with one of my subscribers through the comment section of one of the videos, and he was talking about these. And shout out the homie, you know who you are. He was talking about these. He said he really liked them. He didn't like this portion right up in here. However, he did like the sneaker. He did like the sneaker and how it looked. So, yeah, we're gonna talk about them. These are my Game of Thrones, my dragon scales, they're just awesome. I really, I think they did a really good job on the Lebron 15 model. Really nice job. Really dope that they were this creative with the sneaker and not just repeating history. Nike has a huge tendency of repeating history and doing the same thing twice, trying to reinvent the wheel. And we don't need that as sneakerheads, as sneaker enthusiasts, as just fans of sneakers, fans of Nike. So yeah, so listen, I know you guys have seen it. Again, this is a first for this channel here, so I'll go over the silhouette. The bottom has an unlocked zoom system. This is an unlocked zoom system. So you have zoom in the forefoot, this zoom in the center foot right up in here, and zoom plus Air Max in the heel. So that's the outsole. The outsole also has this very spiky, rigidy outsole to it. It's again, I don't play ball no more, so I'm assuming this is very good on court. Midsole, you have white with the speckled black. Upper, you have that full battle knit right up in here. This is what Nike is calling the this knit technology, and they're calling it battle knit. So, you have areas again in this sneaker that are very loose, and areas in the sneaker in the upper that is very stiff. Your stiffer portions run right along here, all the way to the back, whereas your toe very give-ish, and right up in here, this tongue slash collar area with the neoprene wrap around right up in there, very give-ish. I thought I was going to have problems putting this sneaker on, getting my foot into the sneaker. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say in the problematic area, I would say this was probably a 6. So if you have fears about putting this sneaker on, and I guess you could call me a wide footer, and my foot is just very weird. I'm more of a wide footer, but I'm not a wide footer, if that even makes sense. I'm somewhere in between. But my ankle, I have a wide ankle area because, listen, I'm an older guy. I have old Arthur has set in, so, But anyway, yeah, you can definitely get your foot in here into this sneaker. You have that faux leather pull tab in the front and in the back with the 3 loops right up in there. You have the Roman numeral 15 right up in here, LeBron logo right there, rope laces, and behind the tongue area, you have that flames going on right up in there. So yeah, footbeds you got pretty much the same. You got LeBron's logo, you got 15 up in here, crown, whatever. LeBron 15. I am digging what they did with this. I haven't bought a LeBron sneaker since the 12, 13, 14, 15. I want to say the 12 or the 13. And this sneaker I definitely had to pick up. I really like what they did with the shoe. And I'll probably be picking up this, the King's Pride. I believe it's the Ohio Pride, which is the next one of the other colorways to this shoe. It's has more like the Cleveland Cavalier colors with the sail at the in the midsole. I'm thinking about copping those. I might cop them today. So I don't know, maybe. And I really like the first. It was like the limited version to this. I think they called them the Ghost. So yeah, man. These are the LeBron 15s. Did you guys cop these? I know a lot of people were concerned about the fit and this portion here about how you can't wear them with pants, but you can wear them with track pants and shorts or what have you. A lot of people live in the warmer climate areas. I'm in New York, and you can do these. You can do these with sweats damn near all year round, provided you don't get any snow. So I hope you guys copped. I would think you guys maybe copped. I know I was still able to cop these. I actually copped these for about 3 or 4 days ago. And yeah, they're dope. So leave in the comment section any comments about this sneaker. If you have any questions or concerns, again, leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Like if you like the video. Don't forget to hit me up. I am KixGod, that's KIIXGOD on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I'm everywhere, and I am also out of here. Peace.
Well, I guess, and the reason we started Lifestyles Defined is because if we weren't on camera arguing about these things, the technologies, the phones, the iPhones, the Androids, the cameras, the games, we'd be on the phone arguing about it. We'd be in each other's houses arguing about it. So why not just put it in front of a camera for everyone to enjoy it the way we do? That's what Lifestyles Defined is all about. We just